Happy International Scrapbook Day! Welcome back to my channel. I'm Rebecca Keppel. I am super excited to be here and to be celebrating National Scrapbook Day. I do have a giveaway at the end of this video, so be sure to watch all the way through for the details on how to enter that. In honor of NSD, I decided to start scrapbooking 2020. I know, it's already May, which means 4 months have passed, but really, what else do I have to do right now? So I wanted to share a way that I think will be really easy to catch up on a lot of missed pages. I am not going to be doing traditional scrapbooking for this entire year. I will do some 12 by 12 pages. There's actually a 12 by 12 layout challenge going on over at Therm right now. There's also a card challenge if you're interested. So I'm going to link that video because I did create a 12 by 12 layout. I'm going to link that up right over here. It will be available this afternoon. But for today's video, I have something a little bit different, sort of like a traveler's notebook, not quite. And I want to share it with you because I think you're really going to like the ease of scrapbooking inside of it and the ease of moving pages around. Let me show you what I mean. So this little cutie is called the Me and My Big Ideas Happy Planner Skinny Happy Notes, and it's a notebook that has the disc binding system of the regular Happy Planners, so you can just pull the pages out and work on them. And it also has those great laminated covers that really protect everything on the inside, plus they're super cute and fun. Okay, so I pulled out a couple of sheets. I want to show you some of the products that I'll be using in my notebook. I have that extra large mega date stamp from Studio Calico and a bunch of other items, label stickers, clear stickers, and some 6x8 pieces of paper that I thought were really cute that I can cut down to go inside my notebook or my scrapbook album. I have some Ellie's Studio cards. You can see there that the 3x4 cards fit beautifully inside this notebook, and I will put all the dimensions and stuff down in the YouTube description below. I printed out my photos to be 2x3. I could have gone 3x4, but I decided not to. I also have some 6x8 paper pads. This one is from Chamel, and like I said, you could either cut it and just have it go on in the inside, or you could punch the side, and I'll show you how I'll do that later. I also have 12 by 12 pads. You can easily get 3 sheets. You might be able to get a 4th one underneath there. I'm not sure. So there's just lots of different normal scrapbooking items you can use in here. This is the Me and My Big Ideas punch, and it punches the same number of holes that the notebook is. So you can see there that this 6x8 sheet is smaller, so I'm not going to punch that last hole. I'm going to put it in between the 1st and 8th there, and then I've got a perfect sheet that will fit right inside the notebook if I trim it down on the side there. So fun. I love it. And then you can just move things around. Okay, here's a 6x8 piece of pattern paper that came in a Studio Calico kit. I love what it says about goals there, so I thought I would trim it down. I trimmed 1 inch on either side since it's 6, and now I'm going to punch the Create 365, the Me and My Big Ideas punch right on the side there. Again, it's short, so I'm gonna miss 1 hole, but I still just love it because you can then customize this any way you want. You guys, you can put anything in here, whatever you like, if you have that punch, and it just makes it so easy. Okay, for my title page, I am gonna double up 2 sheets of this paper just because they're kind of thin. So for the title page that I know I'm going to be flipping a gazillion times, I don't want it to get too dog-eared. So I am also going to put a little bit of the pattern paper on it. I just wasn't sure if I wanted margin around everything or just some parts of it. I decided to just have a little margin and then trim it off in this little guillotine trimmer. Makes it really easy. So now I can just pop this in, and look at how adorable that is. Okay, so if you don't like the pink pages, just cover it up with some white cardstock. I think that would be fine too. I like the pink. I think it's cute. I'm going with it. So now I have some pink thickers and I'm going to write 2020. Again, this is just my title page, so I'm not going to do too much here. I just wanted to have the year, and then I'm going to start moving into the rest of the album here. And I am going to use some VersaFine Black Onyx Pigment ink to stamp that big stamp. Now you do have to kind of put the pad to the stamp because it's so big. You can't just stamp the stamp right into the ink pad there because it is so large. Okay, so the story that I'm going to tell with this first layout is how I moved my office from the small bedroom that was up front next to the master into the back of the house where my daughter was. So my daughter was not happy back here because her brother was right next door, and whenever he games, he's really, really loud. So she was unhappy and there was fights all the time, and so I am writing about how we decided to switch rooms, and so my office was in a bigger space and she was up front away from her brother and happy. So I love journaling in this notebook because there are lines and that makes it so much easier. I don't have great handwriting, so I need lines to constrain the mess and to keep it neat and in order. Okay, now I'm going to grab one of the LA Studio cards, and that's going to kind of house my first picture, which is sort of the before. Her room was painted that really bright blue, and it wasn't working for me. Plus, it needed to just be like seriously cleaned. She had been living in here for, I don't know, 15 years. She's almost 15, so it really just needed everything pulled down and the walls cleaned, the carpets cleaned, like all that good stuff. So I just added a little sticker here and I wrote before on it, and then I drew a little arrow down there, and then the arrow just needed to be redrawn because it was not super straight. See, this is the thing. I need lines. I need to be constrained. So the next thing that I'm going to do is to continue this. Basically, it's a layout, right? Because we have both pages next to each other there. I'm going to put Moving Day with some Studio Calico stickers. I love those alpha stickers. They are so much fun, so easy to use, and that light gray is so pretty. And I'm putting it right on an LA Studio 3x4 card there. It's basically a journaling card, but you can use it however you want. You can house a photo on it. You can put your title on it. Whatever works for you. I love these cards. I love the colors, and I think they go really, really well with everything that's going on in this spread. So now I have these two photos on the right, a photo on the left, and then another little photo on the left that I cut down to a 2x2 square, and it takes me a long time to figure out what to do with it. That's okay. You can just move things around until you're happy. So I'm going to glue some things down. I am not using my regular tape runner, which I will link to down below because it's so much easier to use than that big monstrous thing. So my regular tape runner is a Therm tape runner. It works really well in notebooks like this. I just ran out, so I'm trying to get more right now. Okay, these clear stickers, I think they're brilliant. I think they look so good on photos. Basically, what I did with all my photos is I kind of overexposed them a little bit so they're super, super bright. And I think that works really well with putting stickers on it so that you can really see the stickers, they pop. I didn't like my handwriting in the before, so I peeled the sticker off, and when I did that, it peeled off some of the card. So you know what? We'll just cover it up with another sticker. That's the beauty of having all these labels and stickers and things, right? I still don't know what to do with that 2x2 photo. It's still hanging out. And so now I need, I'm like, maybe it'll work on this label sticker. No, that's not going to work. Now I decided to bring in some of these puffy stickers, and I am going to do a visual triangle with these because I like this pop of black on all these really soft colors. So I have one that says Happy Day, one that says This Is It, and then we have the other black from the clear sticker up there. Okay, I think I finally figured it out here. So I have a big label that says This Is Happening in gold. So I'm just gonna adhere that 2x2 photo down underneath and then pop this right on top. And that kind of solved my problem there. It was just like, do I tilt it? Do I keep it straight? I just finally decided to just go with that. Then I found these little black stickers. Again, these little alphas. Studio Calico is great for little alpha stickers, and actually labels and all kinds of things for traveler's notebooks. I will link to what I can below. A lot of this stuff I bought kits on sale because I don't have a subscription. So I definitely recommend, if you don't have a subscription there, check out their sales when they do them, because you can get a bunch of really great kits. And yes, they're older, but so what? They still have really cute stuff in them. And that's how I stock up on my traveler's notebook stuff. Okay, so that spread is done. Now it's time to go to the next spread of this story, which is basically once everything was decorated and all my crazy craft stuff was in there. And that's these 4 pictures. So again, these pictures are 2x3. 2 are vertical, 2 are horizontal, and they work really well inside this album, but you could definitely go up to 3x4 easily. Okay, I have again some LE Studio labels. They also have a lot of great stuff because they do a lot of Project Life kind of stuff. So they have all the 3x4 cards, but then they also have labels and other things. I liked this 3x4 card, but the white space wasn't working for me. So I just trimmed it off. And then I wasn't sure actually where I was going to put it because it's got this like hard edge on the right and bottom, and then kind of just on the green there on the left. But you know what? It works. And the other thing I love to use is embellishments from Amy Tangerine, American Crafts, all their different brands, because they have a lot of really cute stickers with fun phrases on them. So this one was an Amy Tangerine from her latest collection, and it's, I think, an embossed puffy sticker. So it's super cute, and I love how it brings out the circle. So we have the making time for fun on the right circle and then all smiles on the left. And I like to do that, kind of balance both sides out by having circles or black in 3 places or whatever it is. That's an easy way to kind of tie everything together, even though at first when I have all my stuff out, it's like, it looks like a hot mess. It does come together eventually if you give it time. Okay, so now I'm just kind of gluing all these things down. I have a little fun label from LE Studio, and then another one, which I can't remember what it says, down at the bottom there. And again, just trying to tie colors, labels. I love having white space in photos where there's nothing going on because it's perfect for adding either the clear stickers or some labels on top. I did add another circle there up at the top, so there's your visual triangle again. And then I think this is just about done, but I decide I want journaling and there's no space for it. So I journaled around this circle. Now, this is always a trick because it's like, how much room do I have? So you'll see at some point me doing that. That's when I'm just counting spaces to see how many letters I basically have left. But I got a whole sentence in there, so that works. I actually really love journaling in a circle. I think it's super just different and unique, so I like doing it every once in a while. Okay, these pages are thin. The ultrafine Sharpie does show through, so if that's a concern, either know that you're going to have to cover up each page with pattern paper or use something different, but it doesn't bother me. I'll probably put something on that back page there. Okay, those little black letters apparently were falling off. I don't know if it's because our temperature is very high and dry, and so the stickers are probably a little old and they've been sitting in the heat, so they've lost their adhesive. That's easy to deal with. Get a quickie glue pen there. It's got that really fine tip, and you just dot it on the back of the letters there, and once you see the little blue dots, that means the adhesive is running, and then just stick them down. I've had no problems using that. It's super fine tip, so even on those really skinny letters I was able to get adhesive on the back of them. So super fun, easy. I really love this notebook. I am going to be adding to it all year. The great thing is if I decide to put something in front of this, I can just pull pages out, move them around. I love that aspect of it. I love how small it is, and I love that little title on the front, Good Vibes Only. I was kind of disorganized in the video, pulling things from all over the place, so I decided to organize them all together, and I just wanted to show you how I did that. So I have the little post-it notes up front and some embellishments. Then I have my notebook. These little card dividers are from the Stamp Market, and then I have these phrase stickers, labels. Next I have cards 3x4 and 4x6, then shape stickers, alpha stickers, extra traveler's notebooks, some pads, some thickers, some 6x8 sheets, and some 6x8 pads. All of this fits in this one bin, and then I put the big stamp to keep everything together and the punch. And boom, it's all together for my next project. Okay, this is the giveaway that I have for today. It is a Studio Calico kit that I had an extra one. So you get these little hearts, you get these label stickers, you get these little post-it notes. There's a ton of them in there. These are also label stickers. They all come in those cute little glassine bags. Here are some phrase stickers and a little stamp set. So cute. And then a little charm. And it all comes in this little travel reusable bag. I'm gonna put this all in a small priority box, and I'm gonna stuff it full with other goodies that I can find that I think you'll love for traveler's notebooks and scrapbooking. To enter the giveaway, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and comment down below. If you want to win, please leave your email address in the comment so that I can contact you if you're the winner. Unfortunately, right now this needs to just be for United States domestic because I can't afford to ship internationally. I'm so sorry, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more traveler's notebook type scrapbooking, please let me know in the comments below. If you'd prefer to see more 12x12 layouts, let me know that as well. I do want to provide more scrapbooking content on this channel, and I want to know what you guys are interested in. As always, you can check out all the products. They're linked below. Don't forget to enter the giveaway. And I want to thank you so much for stopping by today and sharing your NSD with me. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you again soon.